Hello there, welcome to my another video. On the last video, I have shown how you can get free domain and hosting. So right now, we are using free domain and hosting and our website URL is deb middle school assanchaudhary.pantheonsite.io, and in this video, I'll show you how you can create a simple website using WordPress. So first, we'll go to our dashboard. We install the plugin and themes. So just go to the appearance and click on the theme. So right now the 2022 is installed, but we'll choose another theme actually. Okay, search for Astra, which is a lightweight plugin and very useful and well recommended plugin. So just go for this plugin and click on install and click activate. Now we'll install the plugin. Similarly, go to the plugin, click add new. So we'll install a few plugin. Okay, sorry. Go to the plugin, click add new. So first search for Elementor. Elementor website builder, 5 million plus active installation already, and more than 6,000 review. Just click on activate. Now we'll install the starter template. And there will be default two plugin and we don't need them, so just delete them. Also for the theme, just go to the appearance, click on theme. So those are, we don't need those theme for our site because we will be using Astra. So just click on the theme details and from there we can delete this plugin. Just delete one by one. I'm not going to show you how you can delete all of them one by one. So in this case, just go to the page and I'll be create a new page. So there will be two pages on draft. You don't need this plug page actually. Okay, click on add new. We'll be editing this page using the Elementor. Just click on the edit with Elementor. So here is our site. Just click on this template. It will show you a basic template for your website. You can choose anything for your site. On there you can choose a lot of template. There are few are premium and few are free. So right now I'll choose a free one for your site. So just go to for this one and click import template. So right now this is our site, simple site. If I close this tab, you can see this is our site. Now you can easily customize this site using the Elementor. So let's say you want to change this line, so just click on there. You can remove this to uh, welcome to my website. So this is title and this is my portfolio. Ops, portfolio should be portfolio side. So in this way you can change the content, change the line and so on. Also if I click on this banner part, just click on there, you will find style option. Also you can change that image actually. you can change the background border and view on. So when you are using this site, you can easily get this one. It's like a just very simple. So you can also change the carousel, the picture. Just you need to click on there every image and so on. So if I now publish our site and click on have a look, so right now this is our site, and we have created this site in within 5 minutes. And you can choose any other templates and so on. This is the video on how you can create a simple website and how you can get free domain and hosting. And if you missed my last video how to get free domain and hosting, check the description. I have sent and you can get the free domain hosting on online. And if you have any confusion, or if you need a more details video on how to customize or how to create a WordPress website, please comment below. I'll make another long video. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you like the video, please give a like on my video, and for the similar kind of video, subscribe my channel for the more update. Thank you for watching the video. Have a very good day.